Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and we're here on the NCL or Norwegian Cruise Line Getaway on the upper decks to check out all the pools. There are 3 pools aboard the Norwegian Getaway along with 5 water slides and 9 jacuzzis. The main pool is situated on deck 15, which is where we are right now, and flanked by 4 jacuzzis, while another pool sits nearby in the water park, which we'll see shortly. Then there's the adults-only H2O area with a huge movie screen, as well as a couple of jacuzzis and a wet lounging area, and you'll see what I mean by a wet lounge area as we get near the end of the video. Then there's the members-only Vibe Beach Club area that has its own large jacuzzi. It's a membership-only area that you need to buy a ticket for. It's for the length of the cruise. You can't do it on a daily basis, but it's a nice, wide open, uncrowded area if you're interested in that. And then there's the very exclusive Haven area that has its own private pool. That's for the rich and famous, very expensive cruise tickets. And unfortunately, we won't be able to see that private pool today because, well, I didn't buy one of those expensive tickets. In any event, let's check out all the fun and exciting water features here on the Norwegian Cruise Line's Getaway, shall we? This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. It's 18 and over during the daytime. At night they show movies back here and stuff like that. That's why kids are invited back here. And most of the adult parties are actually at the other pool. So this is like adult during the day, and in the evening it's for families to watch movies and things like that. These are those wet lounges I was referring to earlier in the video. I mentioned the movies here at the Spice H2O area. It is adults only during the day. During the evening, there's movies for kids. Also, there's movies indoors. Everything is weather permitting on this ship. So if it's raining outside or you run into some bad weather, there's so much to do indoors as well. You would think that the Spice H2O adults only is a wild place, but it's actually much more quieter than the other pool. So it's more of a tranquil adults only place, not a wild party kind of adults kind of place. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the pool tours here on the Norwegian Getaway. If you did, or if you didn't, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.
Poetic language that Stevie always somehow manages to pull out of thin air, yeah, when she's writing songs, but turns out it's just a song about Stevie Nicks being a cougar. So here's a song about Stevie Nicks being a cougar.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.